UIC Beach Day.
This is UIC Beach Day here.
Today they have a lot of fun games. They have spike ball, volleyball, a good time to just relax before classes start.
There's free food, of course. Any type of free food is good.
What I'm most excited about is probably the little tournament they're talking about for the volleyball. It's important to get involved because for me at least it's the easiest way to make friends. You made a great decision coming to UIC and you will meet a lot of great people.